Hello, David here, and the project for today is cleaning the dryer vent duct. I'm not talking about the lint filter, which is here, which has to be cleaned before every use. I'm talking about the duct in the back. Duct is right there. Goes to hole that goes outside the wall, connected to the back of the dryer down there. I think it's been about 10 or 12 years since I had this out and cleaned. I suppose if you don't clean it and it gets clogged, it could ruin the heat efficiency of your dryer. It'll take longer for your clothes to dry. I'm going to undo the spring clamp. I happen to have a flexible hoses. There's some hoses out there that are solid and might take unscrewing the joints to take that tube apart. Next step is to pull the dryer away from the wall. Get your shop vac out, clean up all that dust, and then undo the spring clamp that holds the hose to the back of the dryer. Don't forget to check the wall duct for dust in there. Listen to that. It's not clogged, but there's something in there. I was looking for that bead. Reattach everything. I did find some tears in the tube and I repaired them with some tape. Exhaust hose is cleaned, patched, clamped back into place. I push the dryer back against the wall. Everything's ready to go. And that's good for another 10 or 12 years. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.